Welcome to Friday Talks, Betunana. Isizwe Sakadlamuka. Shout out to Ntando who plugged us on this one to say, hey, Kanabe Nyobukela. And I went and I watched episode 1 and 2. And she did say, listen, is a trash TV. So I came prepared. But okay, if it gets like that, Ntando already gave us a heads up. Enkosi Ntando. Isizwe Sakadlamuka. Listen, I'm enjoying it for now. Agna drama Ernestina. No. Can I be honest for a minute? There is a current trend that is going on eMzansi in the reality TV space that is portraying ifemeli zendlu ensundu in a negative light. But I don't know if we're ready to talk about that now. So it's some other time. Isizwe Sakadlamuka, it's basically abantwana bakatata uDlamuka after his passing and how they are doing life together. I must say, zinhle kakhulu intombi zikatata uDlamuka. They are beautiful. All the ladies, the Dlamuka ladies are so beautiful. And episode 1, ndibone maningathi bayavana, bayavisisana. Khange ndibone ngxushungxushu nengxabano between them. They were at Ichisanyama. They were having fun. They were laughing. Yeah. Of course, yonke family and zonke relationships now amahlande nyuka azo. But for them to sit and have conversations and talk about izinto ezidlumzi together as the ladies of the Dlamuka family, to me, I liked that a lot. Then the guys came, birthday yomnye, one of the ladies akwaDlamuka. All the guys were fighting, and I know bendithi bekunyuke amabhodlela, but they fought. Nobody knew exactly, like they were just like, oh, bafike bamosha man. So ke bona ingathi ngabantu abathanda uqabana. Abafana bakaDlamuka kuyasoloko kusiliwa about this, that, or the other. And one of the ladies, Zakadlamuka, she was crying. Lobene birthday, that sometimes she's even ashamed to say Ungwaka Dlamuka. She says no, not low Dlamuka, because she's ashamed of how ifamily yakhe soloko kusiliwa. So I feel like Isizwe Sakadlamuka is showing us the not so rosy side of a polygamy. How now the person who was supposed to be igloo, that Dlamuka, is gone. And the cracks began to show Phofu even before his passing. But ngoku ekubi konakele kumoshakele, struggle real baba. So uThando Nesithembu tried, especially in the earlier episodes, to show us the rosy side of a polygamy. Now the latest season is like, I would imask masizikhuleni mabetnani sibabonisa uba polygamy inameva. Now sibona abantwana ke ngoku, after the polygamist has passed on, they are struggling to be unified because there was never a unity to begin with, even while uTadlamuka esaphila. The guys, oosista bebekhala into yobana abakwazi nobancedisa uba mamakhulu for utshintsha iglobe. Ayikho laa nto yobana sifuna uba ziiprotector and ii-leaders and do our best to lead ifamily well as the Dlamuka brothers. Kwasabona bayaxabana, soloko bexabana, soloko kukhonjwana ngeminwe. Ku-episode 2 ke ngoku, one of the brothers uzokwenza umbulelo uNomcimbi was saying that yena akathandi ugoduka. If it was for him, ebengasoze baphinde alibeke inyawo egcekeni lakaDlamuka because soloko kunengxushungxushu nengxabano. Uthi yena akafuna uyibona into edibene nesithembu as umfana ozalelwe wakhulela esithenjini. So kum ithetha into yobana kune-favoritism apha amongst abantwana, amongst the wives that trickles down to the children and scares abanye, those who are the least favorite. Ifave ke kaTata ndiyabona uba ibingusiyacela. I don't know if uTata Dlamuka mhlawumbi was compensating for the fact that Siyacela uselekelwe ngumama wakhe esemncinci. So mhlawumbi he was trying uba makamthande in such a way that angayifilishi uSiyacela i-void yongabi namama. But then laa nto ayenzileyo, it really hurt the other kids. Those are the scars that they still carry to this day. Kune-ladies zakaDlamuka who have had kids out of wedlock and basesegcekeni nangoku. And one of them was saying that because yena she had umntwana out of wedlock, she didn't have a relationship with that till the day he passed on. That was sad to me. That was sad to hear because that Dlamuka ebenebandla, right? Ebengumfundisi. Anditsho mama betinani. So into yobonisa i-forgiveness negrace sendithetha ngonyana welahleko ke ngoku eBhayibhileni as umfundisi uTata Dlamuka, could he not show the same grace that was shown to the prodigal son, to intombi yakhe? Because naye benabo abantwana out of wedlock. And ngoku umgqomo esizowulahlela kuwo abantwana bethu. Anditsho uba siqhwabe xa besenze izinto ezingekho right, but at the end of the day, it doesn't change the fact that this is still your child. You do say ntombam, noko ndophule umphefumlo because bendifuna uphume ngengubo emhlophe apha. And ndiyabazi abafana into yobana nalo umntwana akhulilise yona usenongamondli, ushiyeke wena ngoku with that burden of having to be umama notata emntwaneni. But I'm here for you and I will help you as umkhulu walo mntwana. If I have to step up and play the fatherly role, that's what I'll do. Because ungumfundisi webandla, he preaches forgiveness, he preaches grace, yabona upreacha zonke ezo zinto. So ke ngoku lixesha uba makapractise le nto ayipritshayo ebandleni. Okanye ndirongo noma betinani? So that for me was painful to hear. So we're just seeing the not so rosy side of isithembu and the effects, the negative effects of isithembu on abantwana. Hayi siyayiqonda ke mos ifemeli yakaDlamuka akuzobe kufihlwa akuzofihlwa nto phayana. Sizoyibona njengoba injalo. Sizawabona ameva esithembu uba aqala phi and aphela phi. Listen, it's not too trashy for now. I'm still enjoying it.